Hey, Charlie.
Hey, Paul.
What's going on?
Well, we just got back from the City Motorhome Expo, amazing VIP event, and we want to talk about it because it was really cool. And I have so many things I want to share with everybody. So part of this event is really interesting. You can either pay for the day or you can camp with everybody, which is fun. I like the camping. And they take care of your meals, you know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks, which I love. But they also have entertainment every single night.
Yeah.
It was cool.
That was cool.
It was really cool. There was dancing, people were boogieing. They also did a karaoke night too, but let's show them some of what happened in the evenings and why you want to come camp and hang out with us.
It's a lot of fun.
All of the RVs that we drove, and we drove some. That's one of the best parts about this whole Motorhome Expo is you get to test drive things. Ooh, it was fun. I test drove, oh gosh, a Peterbilt truck from Redhead, really neat. I test drove a Winnebago Arca. Oh gosh, what else did I? I test drove a Newmar Freedom Air, which I like to call Bel Air. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's so swanky. Hello. But let's show these guys all the cool RVs that we saw, and then you tell us which one you liked the best.
One of the things that I liked the most was people's ability to test drive some of these rigs. You know, the Class A's, take it out on the highway, see how it rides, see how quiet it is or not.
I think he was terrified when I was driving the big Peterbilt. I could be wrong. Were you okay?
No, I wasn't. You're a good driver.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I think that's a big, huge miss in other expos and things like that. This is the one place I know of that you can definitely do a test drive and it's completely worth it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
and also you get to see industry leaders, not just a sales guy. I do like the sales team, I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty fun. But I got to talk to like a president of a Newmar or some really big technicians and people who were in product development. That was really neat. You're talking to the experts while you're there. Want to give a big shout out to all the volunteers, all the staff. Want to thank you so much, Brett, for having this wonderful event. Also Lee, Tiffin, and Angie, and Jeanette, and all those awesome people in IRVC. And also a shout out to all our really fun other travel content creators, influencers that were there. So Endless RVing was there, our Journey of Miles was there. Oh gosh, tons. Tolson Life was there, and do you remember? A really cool travel couple, and they're looking to get their first RV. I'm going to leave links to all these amazing channels in this description of the video, so you can check them out too, because they'll have a great perspective as to what they thought of the event as well. So on top of all the cool RVs, they also had seminars and really cool things to learn about, from Cummins engines to different kinds of diesel things, to every kind of brand gave their little topics and what they were doing, what's new and interesting in the RV industry, as well as travel ideas. But what I loved was each day we had different content creators, RV influencers there to give you their perspective on what's going on and give you a little insight into them, because you know, and I know, we're all watching them like on Facebook and YouTube and things like that. I, of course, did a little presentation. What RV Doing was there, our Journey in Miles, Tolson Life, and Endless RVing. So a big shout out to all the content creators that were there, because you guys did a fantastic job, and all the people were there to learn about you and listen to your stories. I know I learned more about people. What'd you think?
Oh, I thought it was great. Yeah, each content creator or team had a different take on things. Each of them supported the others. Every night we were all there.
We were all there. Guess what? There's another one coming up though. You know where it's going to be?
Las Vegas,
Las Vegas, baby, in November. So if you're interested in going to a awesome music, I was going to say Music City Motorhome, that's going to be next year, but it's going to be the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. So break out your driving shoes and your driving gloves. We're going to be in Las Vegas November 7th to the 11th. And if you're interested, get your tickets now because they sell out. This is really big. So this is the first one you ever went to. What was what'd you think? Were you surprised?
A little bit, yeah. I didn't really know what to expect, but it was an awesome event. People paid a fair amount of money for the privilege of seeing so many great RVs, taking them out on test drives. There was one person we heard of that signed up for 25 test drives.
That was a lot.
I don't know
That was a
how
lot.
they fit them all in.
But they also had someone fly all the way from South Korea. And we need to tell you about the price of the ticket. This is important. The price of the ticket goes towards the purchase of a new RV within 1 year, I believe, of the actual event. So you may not purchase it that day. You may purchase it like 60 days from then, whatever that might be. So think of it as an investment into your motorhome future. So we hope to see you there. And if you have any questions, please feel free, send us an email. I'll be answering emails and hope to see you in Vegas. Where are we going next?
I'm not sure where we're going next. Ultimately, we're going to go to Floribama, head down to Florida, and then all the way up the coast to Bar Harbor, Maine.
Yeah,
with
baby.
Lots of cool stops in between.
And lots of cool people. And lots of cool people we're meeting along the way.
Yep.
So we're going to all the way to Maine, and then we're going to go to Hershey, because Mama wants some chocolate.
Yeah, and we're doing a camp out.
And we're doing a camp out.
Yeah. Yeah, we're doing a camp out in, I forget the town, Massachusetts.
Bellingham. We're going to go to the Circle CG, otherwise known as Campground, in Bellingham, Massachusetts, and can't wait to see everybody. All right, this is Sue, our Journey Miles. Sue, okay, what do we have for lunch today?
Salad bar. We've got chicken, we've got turkey, we've got bacon, we've got ham, and all the fixings.
All the fixings.
We're healthy today.
We're going to be healthy today. We're healthy.
That
We have a
bird is
mockingbird
not happy
that
with
really
us.
wants to talk to me.